Cheers, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Only the first, only the first.
So I just almost majorly up because I'm sitting here making a video trying to tell you guys about what I'm doing for my boyfriend's birthday, and it's playing in a Bluetooth in the house, so he almost heard exactly what we're going to be doing, but thank God he didn't. What I'm going to be taking him to do today is we're going to a chef. She's Puerto Rican, and she's going to teach us how to make traditional Puerto Rican dishes. I know when it comes to my man, he likes food and he likes video games, so I figure that I'm trying to get him to start cooking more, and just hearing it from me, I'm pretty sure it just sounds like nagging because I'm his girlfriend. So we go somewhere and they teach us how to make food, and we get to learn how to make food together. I think, one, that's a good bonding experience, and on top of that, that's just gonna be dope. Like, we're just gonna learn some new foods, and then hopefully it's something that we could do like more often. And she's really dope as well. I'm gonna make sure to put all her information below. And I just hope that you guys tag along. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll show you guys some more soon. You still don't know what we're doing?
Nope. No clue.
You promise?
I promise.
You heard me say the word.
I was playing Xbox. I had the big headphones on. They work really well. See, another good gift that you gave me that worked out in your favor. See? See, she's the greatest.
We're gonna make a guava mint julep. So we have everything fresh mint, fresh guava syrup, lemon juice, and of course, Puerto Rican staple, Bacardi rum. Okay? All right, so this is called a jigger.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna start first. Let's do the ice first, actually. 13, and it's a classic way to make a cocktail with a crushed ice.
Okay.
But since I want to make more at once, I just made my own bigger one.
What is it
And
called?
it's made out of canvas. It's called a Lewis bag. So it's made out of canvas so that the ice won't melt through and
Okay.
it'll stay crystallized.
Okay.
Okay?
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I love this thing. This is cool.
Now, if you guys notice, I have the mallet on this side. You know, get the broad, the broad chunks, and when it's smaller, fine smashes to get it what we like to call obliterate. Thank you.
Let me put actually the oil.
Hold that, you know. All right.
What
A little out of control.
Obviously.
All right.
And then what some of us do is we slap the mint because it's like a thing that it gets more flavorful. So you put it in your palm and you slap that bitch. Exactly. And we just rip it up and put it in there. Rip them up.
Oh my God, I smell it now.
You see?
Uh-oh. You learned something new.
Slap that
Bring it,
bitch.
bring it back to the crib.
Slap that bitch.
There you go.
Yeah, but make sure, look, trick to being a bartender, you gotta make sure you don't lose your drink.
Okay.
So you're holding it from here.
Okay.
You wanna hold it from here, because you're holding the glass and everything in it. And make sure it's in there. And shake with some power.
Thanks, babe. Now you know I'm a brown drinker.
No, it's good. It's good.
Is good? What do you think? You taste that guava?
You shouldn't be able to taste it.
Oh,
Yes?
I love that. That's good.
You shouldn't be able to taste it.
I can't even taste the vodka. I mean, I can't even taste it. Babe, you didn't even serve her.
I forgot I was the first.
Thank
I'm a
you.
bad bartender.
Cheers, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Only the first you made yourself. Cheers.
Good job, babe.
Es mentiroso ese hombre, es mentiroso.
So we just gotta make sure it's at 350 so that we can crisp our alcapurrias.
So what exactly is inside of that?
So alcapurria is our root vegetable, which is yuca, yautilla. So if you're familiar, other people eat a lot of root vegetables. And these are stuffed with ground beef, olives, annatto oil, which is annatto is a spice also that we use very often. And what I did was I blended them, shredded it, and then I added the ground beef, and I made it kind of a different sort of patty, a smaller one, so that we can have a bunch. Okay, then we'll have a little tomato salad and mayo ketchup. And
Oh my gosh, I love mayo ketchup.
okay, me too.
I love.
So this is corn-fed, no antibiotics. And then this is all grass-fed, no antibiotics, organic chicken from the vivero. So I wanted to show the difference in chickens. Obviously, health-wise, it would be better this option. This is still antibiotic-free, so it's still great to eat. And the size obviously is good for a bigger family and bigger amounts of people.
About the heart and stuff, you said?
And what I noticed from the organic chicken is that the heart and the kidney and everything inside was super healthy and larger, 3 times larger than a normal chicken. So in that aspect, you can tell that the chicken is healthier. Cumin, oregano, garlic, onion, there's the garlic, garlic powder we also need, and a little turmeric, because turmeric adds color. Okay? Put in the pilon, typical mortar and pestle in Puerto Rico. Grinding up the garlic and spices.
What spices do we have in there?
Pepper, cumin, salt. We use Himalayan salt, onion powder, turmeric. I put a little curry and oregano. So just a splash of curry because I like the color. Get a little cuts. I'll get this to you after. Cuts in the breast, cuts in the thigh, and we're gonna stuff the inside also with the mixture. Okay.
Okay. Oh my god, that smells so good.
That's gonna give that chicken juiciness, because that's what you want, a juicy chicken.
No? I thought that's.
I never did this before.
No?
Not like this, no. This is my first time doing this.
Yeah.
I love making this as a recipe because I think it's a great thing to know how to do.
Yeah.
Make a nice chicken.
Because a chicken like this usually only like $5-6.
This is a male cilantro, which is called culantro, or recao in Puerto Rico, or jecao in Puerto Rico, I'm sorry. And then cilantro, this is a regular cilantro, which is female. And we're gonna put both of them in the sofrito. They're main ingredients. A little oil, because we want to fry that sofrito. We want to make it brown, so it goes from green to brown. That's how the flavor comes out. Okay, so So we're gonna make a lot of beans because we're 4 people. So we're gonna use half a cup. Let's put a little more. Why not? Thank you. I like using this one because it's organic. It's tomato paste. Very good. Good to cook with. At least you know where it's coming
Good,
from.
because I usually never know which one to get.
Yeah, I look it up. I do all that nerd shit with this. Yeah. Okay. But Goya, you have to use at least one Goya product. Like, I'm sorry. I make my adobo from scratch. I make my sofrito from scratch. But the olives, they're good to use.
Good.
And do you guys like olives in the beans?
I love olives. I can't see.
You need drops? I literally have drops.
Woo! What kind of spices were they soaking in?
In thyme, oregano, salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder.
And water?
And water, yeah. But I took out the water a bunch of times, and the last time I threw it, majority all out. Pork fat and skin. And we put it in rice because it makes it tasty, and this gets crispy, and you have something yummy to eat in it. This is country eating, okay? And I love to toast the rice a little bit before. Everybody has their own way of making rice, okay?
Malo, ¿qué pasa? Me matas con tu desprecio, yo vuelta loca por ti, tú, dándote puesto tú, muchacho malo, ¿qué pasa? Me matas con tu desprecio, yo vuelta loca por ti, tú, dándote, muchacho malo, muchacho malo, muchacho malo, muchacho malo.
You want Sofrito to go?